Hi and welcome to another episode tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make posts and pages on WordPress using Astra theme. If you notice that I'm speaking a bit low, it's because the rest of the family is sleeping, so I'm trying not to wake them up because this is the only time that I'm finding some time to record my videos, and it is after hours. So yes, but you can hear me hopefully. So without further ado, I'm just going to share my screen, and this is a very simple and empty website that I'm using for my tests. So I'm going to show you how to make a home page, like add content into your home page, and I'm using the Astra theme for WordPress, and I'm going to show you how to make an about me page and how to add some blog posts. This tutorial is addressed to you that are a beginner, that you haven't used WordPress much in the past, and you want to learn how to use it. Also, I am going to put in the description a completely free, there is no catch, nothing, no sign up, nothing, completely free course where I'm showing those steps, also from installing WordPress to like building pages. So here we are now. This is my page, and I'm gonna go to dashboard, and here we have posts and pages. This is the ones that we're going to use now. We're gonna ignore the rest, kind of. So if you go to posts, it's empty. I haven't written anything. I'm gonna add new. This is for blogging, and I'm using the old Gutenberg, the old WordPress editor, not the new Gutenberg, but it's the same concept, the same principle. So you write the title, this is my title, and here I'm gonna just write, this is text, right? And if you are blogging and you have categories, like if you have a technology blog, you might have, mobile phones or computers, right? Or if you have a food blog, like this example here that I'm using mostly, you might have recipes, like you have breakfast recipes, or dinner recipes, or vegan recipes, or main dish recipes, or dessert recipes, stuff like that. If you want to add a category on your blog post, you do it here on this section that is called categories. You can see it here, breakfast recipes. Let's say that this one that I have written here is a breakfast recipe, okay, and I'm selecting it, and there are so many things here that you don't have to worry about everything right now. And you can set a featured image. That is very good to have. So you go to your library and you just pick an image. I'm just gonna pick something. This one has nothing to do with food, but okay, let's say that you have a nice food image, and this is my feature image, and I'm gonna publish it. And once you publish it, here you have message, post, published, view post, and you have a blog post. This is my title, and here it is a text that I have written. I hope that you can write something better than me. And the feature image is the one that comes here on the top. So this is a very basic principle of how to create a blog post. Of course, you can add more images here on your text, and to do that, if you want to edit that, you have this black top bar on top. You click on edit post, and you're back here on it, and I want to add media here, add media, and let's say I want to add this picture of this woman, which I don't know who she is, sorry, it came with a template, and I'm going to update it, and I'm going to view post again, and here it is. You have a nice picture inside your text. Now, why I'm using this kind of editor and not the new, like the WordPress default, I find it still easier to use like that. I'm gonna show you how it looks if you just install brand new WordPress. I'm just gonna go to plugins, and I'm going to deactivate this one to show you. Here you see I have a classic editor. I'm gonna deactivate it, and if I go back to posts and I'm gonna add a new one, you're gonna see the difference. Welcome to the blog editor. You get a welcoming text. Okay, next. Make each blog your own. You have a mini tutorial next, or you just close it. So here is your title. This is my blog posts. posts title, type slash to choose a blog. So if you do that, just shift and 7 in my keyboard, I think it's called a forward slash dash slash, yes. You can add some, I don't know, quotes, gallery, media gallery here. You can select, I'm just gonna select some graphics here that I have, insert gallery, and you have a gallery here. Not that I like it, but I'm showing you how it works. If you click also this plus symbol, it's the same as this, the slash. You click on paragraph, and this is the text of my blog post here. I'm writing some, you get it, you enter and you write more, and here on the side it is by default on blog. I don't want it, I want to go to posts here, and if you scroll on this sidebar, you will see that you have also categories as well that you have to yes, it took some time, but you can select. And let's say that this is a dinner recipe. I'm gonna click on that, right? And where is my feature image? Here I clicked on that and set featured image, and I click on that, and I'm gonna find an image, I don't know, this one, me live streaming, which has nothing to do with this food recipe or my blog post or food blog. Anyway, you get it. And let's say that I'm happy with that. So this is a gallery, but I don't like how it looks. Now I'm gonna take it away. I'm just gonna click on the 3 dots here and remove block. And if I click enter, what I don't like is that it's not always obvious to the plus button here. Okay, image, I'm gonna just add an image from my media gallery, or you can upload from your computer, of course. And let's add this woman here again. So this is that. Here you have some options on the side, if it's a rounded image or if it's that, like, okay, you have some styles options here on the side. Okay, publish, let's say I'm happy with it, publish twice, it comes up, and here you have a pop-up view post published on the bottom. And I mean, you see, it produces exactly the same thing. It's just that for my own convenience, and I do recommend it if you're a beginner, because I find it a bit hard to use. I would go to, well, or you just start using it as it is. But if you don't like that kind of editor, the different, like the big white with the plus symbol, and you want to go to the classic one, you just go to dashboard and you go to plugins and add new. And if you search for disable Gutenberg, that is the name of that style, of that editor, you will find many. I have this one. Which one do I have? The classic editor, but I mean disable editor, this one, you can just install it. And I'm gonna just activate it since I have it here. And yeah, I go back to my posts, and now if I want to edit, I'm back here with that. You see, I have Elementor also, but we're not going to use this for this tutorial. I'm just going to show you like how it works with WordPress itself. So yeah, update. Well, I didn't do anything, but you can add stuff. Now, you want to have a blog page, a page that it will generate all of your blog posts. For that, you go to pages. I have some pages here, and I'm gonna add new. We're gonna add new, and we're gonna name it blog. Well, you can name it whatever you want, whatever, like news if it's a news website that you're running, or recipes, my recipes if it's just only recipes, or whatever, it's up to you. So blog and nothing else. You don't have to do anything else. And publish it. And we go to appearance here, and we go to customize. And this is where we're going to set which page is going to be the home page and which page is going to be the blog page, the blog posts. Because now, right now, what it does, the website, it brings on the home page all the articles by default. But I'm gonna go to homepage settings, and you see your home page displays your latest post. I want a static page. Well, I have made a page that's called home, and I added some stuff here just so that it looks like something is going on. This is just a template that I have imported. Post page, blog. So it is kind of a bug sometimes with WordPress. So just go back again here and select something else. No, and go back to home. Just on the home page drop down, it will show you other pages that you might created. So you want to be sure that the home page that you have selected home, it shows a page that you have, a static page, and the post pages, it is your blog page. And you don't have to do anything else, as I said, on the blog page. It needs to be empty, and it will understand that this is where I'm going to bring and generate all the articles. So if I'm going to publish, it's published now. Yes, I'm going to go back, and I need to add this blog page on my menu here, which I have some dinner recipes and some breakfast recipes. How to do that? Well, I can do that from menus here. You see here on the side menus. And here I have a footer menu, which I don't really use, but I have my main menu here, of course, main menu 2. I can just name it whatever. And you see here on top it says home dinner recipe and breakfast recipes. I should say recipe dinner. And this is the menu here on the side. You probably don't see it because I have this badge. One moment. Now I've taken away all the graphical elements. Now you see the home and the dinner and the breakfast recipes here on top. Yes. Now I want to add items, and I want to add this one, the blog page. And add. Yes, it's added here on the side. You see here. If I just click somewhere here, it takes that away, and you see it appeared on top here. I'm going to publish this now. It's published, yes. And, just close this sidebar here. And if I just go to my website, just on top here with the little house, you can just click it and go to your website. So here it is. And up here I have blog. It brought it before. Okay. Blog. And this is all the blog posts that it will create a page, and it will generate all the new articles, blog posts that you write. It will be here. And if you go on home, it is that. So the page is not ready. I mean, I have a title here that I don't want it to appear. I haven't done much edits here. I'm just using it to show how the functions work, stuff like that. So, I mean, there are things that I could change, but right now I just want to show you how to make a page and how to make blog posts. So we did that. Let's make an About Me page as well. Pages, add new, and About Me. And here you can write hello and welcome to my site. My story so far, or whatever, something. I am 42 years old and I like cooking, since it's a food blog. Whatever, something like in that direction. Okay, and I'm gonna publish it. I'm not doing any styling settings right now. I'm just gonna show you how the pages work. And yeah, so this is a very simple page. This is the layout of Astra, the theme Astra. Now I want to add, I'm just gonna go back, and I'm here. I'm gonna add an image, why not? Add media. Right now I'm just gonna put the picture here. View page, always update and save. Here it is. Well, you can write more text and everything. Now I want this About page, of course, to appear here on the menu on top. how to do that. We go back, of course. You can either go to appearance, as I showed you. Let's do that since I showed you that way. And here we have appearance, customize. There are different ways where you can change it, but let's stick to this one, customize, because I think it's easier and everything is here. And click on main menu here and add items, and you have here, like usually it shows you the most recent pages you have created. So this is the about me. Click on the plus, it has moved it there. You can drag and drop it and put it, wherever you want. I'm gonna put it next to the blog and I'm gonna publish it. And I'm gonna close this. And now if I go, the little home there, visit site, click on it. So, and here about me and blog, this is your about me page, and this is how you build pages, and this is how you add them to your menu. So I have more I have more tutorials on my channel, so make sure to subscribe. I'm live streaming once a week. Go browse some of the past tutorials that I have created where I'm showing you how to do things with WordPress. I use Elementor a lot, and so I have a lot of tutorials with Elementor. Let me know in the comments if you have a specific question. This was a very basic introductory tutorial, so to speak, of how to create blog posts, how to start blogging, and how to start writing pages. And I'm using Astra theme for WordPress, the self-hosted version. So I hope you find it useful. Give it a thumbs up again, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.